Hi everyone, this is Caitlin Martin. This is my intro video for MIT 855, the last class that I have with Fort Hays for my master's in instructional technology. It's taken me a little while to actually make this video just because of the fact I've been fighting bronchitis and it's been winning. So this is the first time you can actually understand what I'm trying to say. I am a kindergarten special education teacher in New York State. I work in an inclusion classroom, which means there's one other teacher and one aide all day. And I love my job. I mean, this is my 5th year. I'm tenured in it, and I couldn't ask to be in a better job. I love the young kids coming in when they first get here and getting to mold them. I applaud all high school, middle school teachers because I honestly don't know if I could do that. So I applaud you for that. I love the little ones. So what are the biggest challenges I have in my current role is it's very hard to differentiate all the different levels that I have coming in, being that some are special needs, some are considered to be like average, some are considered to be shining stars. So differentiating for all of those different needs is very hard. Also, being able to integrate technology is hard, being that they're 5, and some of them are almost at like a 3 to 4-year-old level. So being able to integrate technology, not as in like let's just use iPads or let's get on the computers, trying to make it so that they're getting engrossed in the material is something that I'm still trying to work on. But being in these classes has helped me a lot, understanding how easy it really is to add and integrate technology into all of my lessons. My future plans, I'm hoping to stay in the classroom that I'm in. I love the integrated co-teaching and things like that. I think my school is going away from it. So I'm hoping, I'm definitely going to stay in the special education field. I'm hoping to stay in the elementary. But I'm going to try to use as much of the technology as I have in here to help with my school. Another issue I have is there's a lot of teachers here that are, they don't really like change very much. So with all the advances in technology, some teachers have fallen behind or have chosen to fall and to not stay with technology. And it's something that my principal is working on, and he's asked me to help on to try to help teachers understand that it's really not anything crazy if you just get the basics and then you just advance yourself from there. So I'm excited for this class. I can't wait to go through this with all of you guys. And if you guys have any questions or you guys need anything, just get a hold of me and we'll have a good time.